Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add pages to your website in Odoo. So add pages to your website in Odoo. Creating a new pages on this platform is simple using the built-in website builder. So actually guys, at first you will need to open your website by using or by going through the website model here. So just click it and then go with new at the top right next to editor. So here you will find the page option. Okay, so just click it and then choose if you want it as a blank page or its format. Okay, so for example you can go with the landing page. From here you can find them right here on the gallery tab, services, pricing plans, etc. Okay, so let's say that it wants a basic, or that you want a basic page, so you can just go with for example this one, and then you will need to give it a title. All right, so for example sock, and then go with create. You can also go with generate text, so you can type or describe its instructions. All right, so leave it like that, go with create, and that's it. So as you can see, so the Odoo offers the blank pages, the pre-designed templates, the landing page layouts. So just select the layout that you want, and after adding it you can just go and keep editing on it. So you can hold and drag the blocks into it, customize it with going with the style right here. You can even add the themes and change the colors. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.